अस्सलाम वालेकुम, दिस इज आमना, यू आर वाचिंग समथिंग हॉट और ये है एपिसोड 2 ऑफ फैशन फोर्टनाइटली। फोर्टनाइट का हमने वेट नहीं किया इसलिए कि आज वी आर बैक विद द LSA स्पेशल।
Yes, this is the LSA special.
और मेरे साथ लास्ट टाइम की तरह है ताबिश। ताबिश, people gave us really good feedback of our first episode.
Yes,
और
they were very welcoming, and we loved your feedback. Please let us know whatever you think about this episode also in the comments.
in the comments, love the feedback. Thank you so much for watching. और मुझे पता है आज की एपिसोड का बहुत बेसब्री से सबको इंतजार है। Catch us after the title track. Ji Tabish, so lots of celebrities on the LSA red carpet this year.
It was very hectic. बहुत time लगता है सब कुछ create करने में, to put together. There were so many teams involved. There were so many stars involved, and the red carpet was flooded with stars. और उनका कोई anthem भी है, सितारे सितारे
वो बड़ा अच्छा था, वो मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा।
आसमां के तारे, something that sort,
याद हो
right?
गया है?
कुछ था, मुझे सिर्फ ये एक ही लाइन याद है, मे बी मैं गलत गा रहा हूँ, लेकिन
अच्छा,
कुछ
एक
इस
तो
तरह का
एक
था।
celebrities तैयार हुए थे for the red carpet. Then there were celebrities who were ready as presenters. और फिर performers थे।
परफॉर्मर्स की अलग था, एक
अलग था।
बिल्कुल।
हम पहले red carpet को देखते हैं। So let's begin with the fashion segment.
Yeah.
And the fashion nominees and of course winner best model female Mush Kaleem.
Yeah.
Mush 2 साल पहले won as best emerging talent. And last year she was a nominee for best model, but Zara Ahmed won.
Yes.
And this year she won. And I wonder who did her look.
I don't know.
So she was wearing, Mushk was wearing Sana Safina's, and I have to say, great color.
मेरी इस वक्त बहुत मुझे डर लग रहा है क्योंकि आमना is going to dissect the look and I'm not going to say anything. Yeah.
Okay, so I thought it was, ek to Mushk is really, how tall is she?
She's 5'11".
She's 5'11", and when she gets into heels, she's well over 6 feet tall.
She's 6'2".
She's 6'2". And that dress with the flounce and the flare, it was beautiful.
And the grandeur.
The grandeur and the drama, the color was right, the flounce was right, the grandeur was right. The hair and makeup was so good. You know, the tight bun. And there was a bit of a diamond action happening, a tattoo action happening on her neckline. On her spine. It was really looking good. The only thing, and it was a Sana Safina's gown.
So it was a Sana Safina's outfit. It was styled by me.
Was it made, Tabish, especially for the occasion?
It was made specially for the occasion.
Okay.
And we started talking about it for like a month before the show.
Right.
And when the nominations came out, we got to know that, oh, she's nominated, now we have to work. Now Mush called me and she said, would you love to? Because I was not very happy with the last one that I did. And and I said, yeah, sure, would love to. And let's do it together. And then I ringed Mohsin, and Mohsin said, yeah, let's do it. So Sana Safina's was on board.
It was delightful. My only problem, a little bone to pick in that dress, was the bodice. I felt that your bodice पे flounce चल रहा था ना, there was a lot happening on the bodice. I felt that अगर जरा सा tapered होता, because नीचे इतना drama था, ऊपर उस ड्रामे की जरूरत नहीं थी. That's my only critique of the dress.
उस outfit के पीछे ना एक कहानी है. अगर आपको
I don't know.
No, तो वो कहानी जो ये है कि it was inspired by the sea corals.
Okay, but there was enough inspiration at the bottom.
Yeah.
You didn't have to add the coral reef on top as well.
So, but I liked it. Maybe
but it had it was a winning dress for sure.
It was a winning.
It was a winning dress. Achha, second look, best male model of the year, Sachil Afzal.
Yeah.
Now I love the fact that Sachil was in desi wear. Usually you'd see the best models in a suit or a very sharp suit or some kind of a combination. But यहाँ पे उसने
they try to play safe, or they don't know what to do.
They don't know what to do. Yeah.
So they say, okay, let's do it this way. But what I liked about Sachil was that last year he won Emerging Talent. This year he won
Best Model Male.
Yeah, male model best का award ले गया. और बात उसकी मुझे ये अच्छी लगती है that he doesn't want to do something that is done before, or he doesn't want to play safe, which is what I like about him, and I liked working with him on it because it is so important for the other person to give in input and to to be happy in presenting something that has not happened before.
Yeah.
So he said, why can we not do it this way? I said, yeah, let's do
So
it.
was it a bit of a Sultan Rahi vibe happening
So
because he had like a
yeah, so he said that it's 20 years of Lux and Sultan Rai, since I come from Punjab and I'm from Gujranwala and I've moved to Karachi and I'm between Karachi and Lahore all the time. I want to celebrate my Punjab culture.
मगर
being
गंदासा
on the
होना चाहिए था, हाथ में छड़ी क्यों थी?
but वही वाली बात है ना कि we were not copying, we were
It
just
was not a literal.
inspired by the fact
ठीक है.
that there was a lacha and there was a kurta and it was really really beautifully done
And
by
the look
YBQ.
was YBQ, Yusuf Bashir Qureshi.
Yeah.
And in fact, if people are inspired by his look, you can check out YBQ's website. I think he's got a lot of interesting clothes on the website.
Yeah, and also this look, YBQ has named on his website called Sachal Rahi.
Sachal Rahi.
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah.
And he had a bit of silver happening in the jewelry.
Yeah, very boho jewelry.
It was very nice. It was very distinct, very different.
And please notice that Tavitri, there was a
Tavitri as well, and it was different and stand out.
Yeah,
for sure.
It did stand out. Yeah.
Third fashion nominee, emerging talent, best emerging talent, went to the model Sara Zulfikar.
Yes.
And I saw Sara, met her the first time. This time she's beautiful.
She's stunning.
She's stunning.
Yeah, yeah. I met her in Jan 2020.
Right.
At some restaurant and she was just sitting.
Yes, we read the story.
You read the story? Yeah,
Sara,
yeah.
Yes.
So, and she's so passionate about camera and she's just so वो इतना stretch करती है अपनी body को and she tries to poses in a different way and she's stunning. She has a beautiful face.
Beautiful jawline. अच्छा, अब अगर मुझे किसी ने बताया ना होता कि outfit किसने बनाया, I would have thought either Sana Safinaz or Mahin Kareem. Because they're the ones who do the big flowers or the ornamentation, I would have never thought it's an Omar Said gown.
Yeah, but it was an Omar Said piece.
It was an Omar Said piece. It was a lovely piece. But it wasn't, I didn't think it was classic Omar Said. Usually Omar ऐसे कपड़े नहीं बनाता.
Actually, Umar bhai, I think वो कम करते हैं red carpet. So, I think this is his flavor because he came up with this idea of the outfit.
Okay.
And he said, I want to add this beautiful flower and I want to have some sort of statement. And
I've never seen something like this from Umar.
So, I think he's revived himself as a brand and but it was certainly there and there was a sketch and we said, okay.
Right. But she looked beautiful.
Yeah, she looked really beautiful.
For me, the standout in her look was that graphic eyeliner.
Yeah.
It was just beautifully done. I mean, her eyes were stunning.
Yeah.
That graphic eyeliner was beautiful. I thought the earrings were very balanced with the outfit, but I found them a little bit safe.
Yeah, because the outfit was doing so much, there was a big flower in her face. मुझे तो ये feel हो रहा है, मैंने खुद style किया वो look, मगर मुझे ये feel हो रहा है कि I could have given her a smaller size earrings.
हाँ, मेरा भी
कि वो थोड़ा सा और कम muted हो जाता, तो वो अच्छा होता, maybe a pearl or something. But we were in such a hurry and I couldn't find the right piece.
I felt that the earring wasn't perfect.
Yeah. So ये देखे मैं अपना flaw भी register
कर रहा हूँ.
So ये ना सोचिएगा कि so this is a learning for me that definitely things can be improved and fixed.
Of course.
When you're even doing it yourself.
Actually, two more models of the moment. One, Nimra Jacob.
Yes.
And she was wearing a Kamya Rukni.
Yes, beautiful yellow.
I have to say I didn't like the dress.
You didn't like the dress?
I didn't like it. I didn't like the dress. I've seen Kami do much better. And much as he's done very, very strong looks. And Nimra is a beautiful girl. But I think personally, when you have that beautiful dusky complexion, either go white, like Trinette Guen, she looked gorgeous, or go for a vibrant color. That shade of gold did actually nothing for her complexion. And I have the same critique for Maha.
Maha Tehrani?
Maha Tehrani.
Achha, I really liked Maha's outfit. Yes, there was something missing.
Yes.
Which I am unable to understand.
वो जो दुपट्टा से निकल रहा था ना, वो मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगा.
मुझे तो बहुत खूबसूरत लगा.
अच्छा लगा था, मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगा.
That was giving her length and.
नहीं, I think she has.
और वो दुपट्टा पता है क्यों ऐड किया था? ताकि ऑडियंस को बुरा ना लगे कि वो ना ऊपर से बहुत खाली था, like ये क्या पहन के आ गई थी.
अच्छा, मुझे लगा it was like a sore thumb sticking out कि अभी दुपट्टा सा निकला. No, I didn't. I just think that unless you're a Beyonce and you're doing like a really outstanding gold, any shade of gold doesn't work well with a dusky skin tone unless it's OTT. So ये जो थी ना nude type of looks में दोनों की colors, I wasn't happy with the colors, and they're beautiful girls.
they're
They're both
stunning
beautiful, they're stunning
beauties, yeah.
girls. So yeah. Acha ji. Anybody else from fashion that you
But
want
the
to?
craft on Fahad's outfit was very well
Fahad
put
outfit
together.
being the one that Maha was wearing.
Maha was
Yes.
wearing,
हाँ,
yeah,
वो
it
था.
was really
तो
really
Fahad
good.
is like a,
Fahad का
हाँ.
उसका craft बहुत अच्छा है,
जी.
बेशक.
फहद खुद भी काफी iconic
Yes,
उसमें थे.
we
With his
saw the
straight
straight hair, the
yes.
gothic eye makeup, and
Gothic eye makeup और हमने memes भी देखी कि लोगों ने कहा oh Tahir Shah has arrived.
oh, acha, I didn't hear that, but yeah.
And
Yeah.
of course Ali Zishan was in his true
Yeah.
like OTT glamorous like
And I
attention.
loved the
हाँ.
embellishments, इस तरह जो rain की तरह they were just
बिल्कुल
falling
बिल्कुल
down.
बिल्कुल.
It looked really
अब वही बात है ना
beautiful.
ताबिश, आप मजाक उड़ा लें कहें कि ओहो ये क्या है, but that's who he is, that's his
वो तो
persona.
हमारे ब्लैक और वाइट पहनने पे मजाक उड़ा
मुझे
रहे
तो
हैं, तो
आप
हम
ghost
क्या
लग
कर
रही हैं.
सकते हैं भाई.
हाँ.
किसी का मुंह तो नहीं रोक सकते, बट वो आपका एक टेक है
You have
on
to
things.
understand that these people are dressing according to who they are.
And that's what they like.
That's what they like.
If you can't accept it, that's completely fine. अगर अच्छा नहीं बोल सकते तो बुरा भी ना बोलें, right?
बिल्कुल.
So you don't have
कम
to
से कम ट्रोल
say
ना
it.
करें.
आप
troll
लोगों
ना
को
करें.
ट्रोलिंग से वैसे फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
नहीं पड़ता
But
है, पड़ता है. मंशा ने एक बड़ा अच्छी बात
देखिए
की. she tweeted
मैं
as well.
हाँ मंशा ने बहुत अच्छी बात की and I agree with her. But मंशा को इतनी क्लैरिफिकेशन देने की किसी को ज़रूरत नहीं है. As long as she was enjoying the outfit, she was looking graceful, she was happy with her look.
अच्छा
That's
मंशा
what
पे आ जाते हैं.
matters.
I thought her black look was beautiful.
Really beautiful. I
It was,
love
again,
Mansha's
it was a
black
Sana
look.
Safina's
Yes.
outfit, and it had an embellished halter neckline. It was halter thing.
It was a halter. It was a halter. It was a halter with a neck piece.
With a neck piece,
which was really
it
beautiful.
was beautiful.
Yes.
Mansha looked absolutely stunning.
Stunning in that black outfit.
It was a very good look. I wasn't a fan of the other one. The teal
I was also not a
it was
fan
a
of
teal?
the. It was a teal outfit. It was
हाँ.
also Sana Safi, but I liked the
हाँ.
black more
I thought
because that gave her more
Yes,
grace
yes.
and the जो उसका मंशा का डिमीनियर है ना
हाँ.
वो उसको कॉम्प्लीमेंट बहुत
कर
कर
रहा
रहा
था.
था.
The black was lovely.
Yeah.
उसकी लेंथ बड़ी अच्छी थी. जो टील वाला था उसके नीचे even the shoes I was like not too happy
Also the also Mansha का जो black था it was her personality. The teal I don't think it was her personality. It was a little difficult for her to carry
with.
it.
Let's come to the other teal of the evening. There was a teal that
Don't we all know that teal?
do we?
I think so.
The teal that Sabur Ali was wearing.
Oh yeah.
Which teal are you talking
I'm
about?
talking about the same.
The same.
Yeah.
So Sabur Ali was wearing a gown. It was an off-shoulder,
वो
asymmetrical.
किसने बनाया था? It was a Sana. Was it
No,
a Sana?
it wasn't a Sana Safinaz. I think it was a designer called Ahmed Sultan. उन्हीं को उन्होंने credit किया हुआ है अपने Instagram पे. And उसका problem ये था, मेरा primary problem with that outfit was that ऐसा लग रहा था उनकी तस्वीर को देख के that उसका जो side slit था वो ज़्यादा था और उसको बाद में बंद किया गया था. नहीं सिया गया था.
No, I could see टिच बटन लगे हुए थे.
हाँ.
मैंने zoom in करके देखा वो टिच बटन लगे हुए थे और उसकी फिटिंग यहाँ से कुछ पता नहीं क्या हुआ था, but there was something majorly wrong with the fitting.
It was wrong with the fitting.
And Sabur is such a lovely actress. She's a beautiful face. She's a very well-spoken girl. I think it should have more around her celebrity power or her presence or her personality rather than the outfit. Over here, the outfit was wearing her, not that she was wearing the outfit.
I don't even think the outfit was wearing her. It was just there. Ajay, वैसे by the way, I wasn't even a fan of the hair and the makeup.
हाँ.
Makeup, her face was beautiful, but the hair was
But
just.
वो तो stylist का call होता है, right? कि अब उनको कौन style कर रहा है.
आप लोगों ने नहीं किया था?
We did the hair and Team Nabila did the hair and makeup, but I don't know कि उनको किसने ये look
की थी. Because एक तो ये है कि somebody needs to tell all our celebrities on the red carpet that any style that you keep having to flip back, it's just very inelegant. मुझे पता है मेरे बालों के साथ भी ये प्रॉब्लम होता है. मैं कोशिश करती हूँ.
वो खुला हुआ क्यों था मुझे नहीं समझ में.
वो जो उन्होंने 2 लटें छोड़ी हुई थी ना, या एक लट थी या क्या थी?
एक लट थी. I think that patch was separate, but it should have been tied back, not open.
It shouldn't
so
have
I
been
don't know
open.
who took that decision to leave it open.
But the biggest faux pas was that afterthought of stitching up the dress. दूसरा जब वो चल रही थी और उनकी मैंने वीडियोस देखी तो उन्होंने आगे से ऐसे करके बंच अप करके उठाया हुआ था. So obviously वो पाँव में भी आ रहा था.
The length.
So it was.
You know, it is very important. It is very important कि ग्लास के अंदर पानी कितना भर रहे हैं आप. You know, glass तो glass है. आप you can fill it to the top of it, but you need to understand कि how much you need to
वाह
fill in.
क्या मिसाल दी है
हाँ बिल्कुल.
जिसका कोई दूर दूर तक कोई
No,
ताल्लुक
because you
नहीं
know
है
वो
इनका
वो
ड्रेस से।
उसको इतना ओवरपावर कर दिया कि वो ना वो हेयर एंड मेकअप सही लग रहा था ना वो
नहीं।
कपड़े सही लग रहे थे. So there was a very big disconnect. Also then the personality is very different. You know, so there were 3 clashes happening. So इसलिए
Yeah.
वो कुछ समझ नहीं आया.
अच्छा now
But she could do
somebody
definitely
she
a
can
lot
do
better.
better.
A lot better.
Somebody who was dressed 100% according to their personality. जब मैं उनका नाम लूँ तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि confidence and you know performer, great actor, big screen box office hit, perform मतलब great dancer, somebody who's like almost like a boss lady. भला कौन? महविश हयात.
हाँ.
And Mevish Hayat in that Amato Couture,
Amato
मुझे उनका Amato
Couture.
Couture gold dress, I loved it.
I loved the gold outfit.
I
It was really
loved it.
beautiful.
एक तो the
Very,
structure
very, हाँ.
with the power shoulder and the tassel happening on it.
I love
Then
the
the
embellishment.
sleek hair
Yeah.
and the smoky eye. And I love the fact, actually I always love Mevish when the focus is away from her lips. वो जब red lip होता है ना फिर नहीं, her focus needs to be on her eyes.
Because her eyes are everything,
Yeah.
lavish. Your eyes are beautiful.
She looked like a boss lady completely.
she
She
looked really
looked beautiful. It was a really good red carpet look.
Yeah.
I wasn't a fan of her red performance outfit. वो हम लोग सारे बैठ के कहते कि तो रूह अफ़ज़ा की बोतल टाइप चीज लग रही है. It wasn't really good, but
I don't even remember her
but this
red
this
outfit.
this gold outfit, the Mato Couture was beautiful, beautiful.
हाँ,
अच्छा जी, moving on.
And it was also picking up the Lux का logo, the gold
हाँ,
logo, and
yeah,
I think
yeah,
वो
yeah,
उस thought process से बनाया था.
बहुत अच्छा था.
I believe तो वो I'm
बहुत
sure.
अच्छा था, बहुत अच्छा था. अच्छा, moving on to two-time winner, best actress for Critics Award and Popular Award. Yumna Zaidi won for Pyar Ke Sadke.
Yes.
What a fantastic actor.
What a beautiful
What a
performer.
lovely, what a beautiful performer. What a lovely girl.
Yeah, what a lovely girl. I
What a
worked
lovely
with her.
girl. But I have to say, the look was not Yumna at all.
अच्छा, मैंने युमना के साथ काम किया है, तो I don't know who to blame. Okay.
No, but let's
And
not blame.
Yumna-
Let's just see. Do you think it was a good look for her?
It wasn't very satisfactory.
This is Tavish being diplomatic.
No, I'm not being diplomatic because वो युमना का
Tavish,
style.
last time भी लोगों ने कहा कि आप बहुत safe. You were playing too safe.
I'm not playing safe. I'm just not being nasty, and that's what I don't want to be.
No, we can't, and we
But,
can't be nasty
yeah.
to Yumna ever.
Yeah, ever, because she's a lovely girl and.
No, but we can be nasty to the look a little bit. In
Yeah,
the sense
to the
that,
look. So वो लोग ना गलत वो करते हैं ना. They say, oh, he was being nasty to this one, or she was being nasty
we're not
to
going to be
this
nasty to Yumna. But जहाँ तक जितनी मेरी Yumna से कभी भी बात हुई है, and the kind of person she is, she's a very soft and a very sweet person.
Welcoming, very welcoming.
Very approachable,
Yes,
very
very
sweet,
welcoming.
very soft. Yumna,
Very warm. She's a very warm girl.
Very
Like
warm
when
girl.
when you start talking to her, na, you see the warmth and the.
She's very
in her
real.
eyes, you can actually see that she's very much interested in listening and trying to do different and trying to make a niche for herself and trying to build a personality for herself and trying to discover, okay, so I can improve it this way. You know, she's very.
अच्छा, हमारे something hot के interview में Yumna was wearing a printed, very pretty floral printed generation top, और उन्होंने top bun बनाया हुआ था, and she had minimal makeup. She looked gorgeous and she looked like herself. आपको देख के लगता था, okay, this is Yumna Zaidi's style, which is a little bit bohemian, a little bit. It's like a soft floral bohemian, you know.
If
kind
you guys
of a
remember,
70s flower power
yeah,
type.
Also, yeah, flower.
Yes.
Okay, so if you guys remember last year, Lux Pay, she also won something. She won for some.
She won for the same one of the best actors.
Yeah, actors.
Awards.
Yeah, कुछ था, and she was wearing this beautiful light color.
It was a pink
floral
sari?
pink sari.
Yeah.
ठीक है. या मे बी साड़ी का टेक्सचर अलग हो सकता था, कुछ और हो सकता था, बट दैट पिंक रियली कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड हर स्किन टोन. It was not harsh. It was soft like her personality.
This was too harsh.
Yeah, the black was too stark for her.
It was a very goth look. And उनका hair जो था बहुत straight, और फिर उनका जो silver jewelry थी, the little diamond jewelry.
Yeah, and the necklace.
The necklace, the gown was not the best fitted outfit.
This मुझे sleeve length से कुछ हो रहा था.
Sleeve length out
वो
था
स्लीव
बिल्कुल
लेंथ
हाँ.
बहुत
It wasn't
कहीं
the
ना
best
इधर
look
थी
for
ना
her.
उधर थी, but
I don't think she needed a colored contact. Yumna is very real, and you know,
आई थिंक यमुना के ऊपर जितना कम काम करो उतना
yes,
बेहतर होता है,
yes,
बिकॉज
yes.
यमुना की पर्सनैलिटी इज वेरी बोहेमियन एंड
It's very flowery. It's very floral and very sweet.
very
It's very
very
sweet. And I think her look needs to be sweet as well. It needs to be reflective of who she is.
yeah, the sweet girl that she
For
is.
sure.
Actually, she is a
For
very
sure.
sweet girl.
Acha, another sweet girl. Myra Khan.
Yeah, I loved the back of the outfit, certainly. Loved the back of the outfit. Not sure about the
There
jewelry
was
hanging.
no back.
So that is what I like. And there was this little thing coming out from the waistline. Piche ki taraf, there was a trail happening, which I really, really liked. I loved the color on her, but I was not a fan of the silhouette in general.
Same.
It was not very flattering. Fitting could have been better. Yeah.
Myra, it'll take a lot of effort for Myra to look bad. पहली बात तो ये है, वो बुरी लगती नहीं है. But she did a lot of favor to this outfit. I felt that it was not very well fitted. The fabric, like you said, was wrong. The pleating on the shoulder was not very complimentary. It was just not a great dress. The back was beautiful.
Back was beautiful.
I
of the
liked the
outfit.
jewelry at the back. It was Ali Javeri jewelry. I liked the details happening on the back. But the outfit, अच्छा दूसरी चीज़ ये है कि वो क्योंकि वो भी high slit था, तो उन्होंने उसके नीचे sequined tights या वो कोई ऐसी चीज़ पहनी हुई थी. So it just looked uncomfortable as well. So not my favorite look for Myra, for sure.
Yeah, Myra has done miracles before, so I don't know कि क्या कुछ था imbalance.
But what her red carpet outfit lacked, her stage performance outfits made up for. I mean that green peshwas that she wore
that was
for
a beautiful
More Saiyan.
peshwas. That was a very good color for her.
Beautiful. और मुझे नोमी बता रहा था that there were 36 panels in that peshwas.
Wow.
और वो ऐसे बनाए गए थे कि जब वो खड़ी हो तो वो bulk weight ना add करे उनकी body पे, लेकिन जब वो twirl करें तो you should be able to see all the layers underneath, and it was beautiful.
Wow, really,
that green
really
peshwas was absolutely beautiful. All her performance outfits were very good.
Yeah, I agree.
You agree?
Yeah.
मैं ही चलाती रहूं या would you like?
नहीं, आप नाम लेती जाए ना.
अच्छा. Do you remember what Durre Fisham was wearing?
She was wearing this purple sari by Elon.
Ji.
And
you remember?
Of course.
Ji.
And the sari was beautiful. I love the silk part in it. I love the flowy part in it. But though हमने 2 सेकंड के लिए बात की वहाँ पे while I was going backstage. And she said कि नहीं वो ना लोग बहुत ट्रोल करते हैं. I said आप क्यों लोगों की फिक्र कर रही हैं? She said because I ट्रोल करेंगे. हाँ. She said पल्लू नीचे मैंने कहा पल्लू नीचे गिराना तो मतलब कोई ऐसी गलत बात तो नहीं है उसके अंदर. नहीं. You are just flaunting your outfit and that's completely fine. I love the color on her.
Color was beautiful.
It was a beautiful color and it really complemented.
Purple plum satin.
You know those Shah ke zamane ka, yeah.
Amethyst purple.
You know that,
it was
that
beautiful.
Purple, beautiful.
It was a beautiful purple. Her hair was. It was. She's actually naturally very beautiful.
Yeah.
And again, Durre is a tall girl. She's 5'8".
Yeah, she is.
And she was wearing very nice high heels, and I think she must have crossed 6 feet as well. So she looked beautiful. But unko, मुझे लगा
I think heels were close to होनी चाहिए थी.
Achha, I loved her feet. I loved the way her feet looked with the little embellished sandals. I felt कि वो जो उनका nail color था toes पे वही उनके हाथों पे भी होना चाहिए था.
हाँ, थोड़ा सा push
उनको करना चाहिए था. I think वो बहुत ज़्यादा comfort zone में थी. But उनको क्योंकि ये डर था कि लोग troll करेंगे, plus उनको डर था कि उनकी curves ज़्यादा नजर ना आ जाए, तो वो
कोई बात नहीं, you are curvy, you should flaunt your curves.
She kept pulling her pallu around, which I felt like at times looked a little matronly. You know, pallu.
It just makes you look like a block.
Yeah, it's not very like. It's not very glamorous.
It is not glamorous.
To hold your pallu.
But you know, it was a beautiful sari, and the way the silk, you know, she was walking on the red
beautiful.
carpet, वो जिस तरह से उड़ रहा था.
It had a life of its own.
Yes,
you know,
it had. Yeah,
it
definitely.
It was lovely. It was
definitely.
lovely. And you know, her earrings and everything. बहुत अच्छा था.
Earrings तो शहरज़ाद के थे. Yeah, very nice.
अच्छा, do you remember what Hiba Bukhari was wearing? Now I'm mentioning Hiba Bukhari. She was a nominee
The
for
black
Best
outfit with the two wings falling down. Yeah.
Wings. You would call
Wings,
them.
I call them wings.
Okay.
She had wings on the red
Hiba
carpet.
was nominated for Best Actress in the popular category, and the reason why I want to talk about her look is कि हमने last उनका drama देखा फितूर जिसमें she had an awful, her character had an awful look. So जितनी देर वो ड्रामा चलता रहा हम बैठ के उनकी लुक को क्रिटिसाइज करते रहे कि बहुत बुरा इनको लुक दिया है wardrobe. But I thought she looked very smart on the red carpet.
I said she looked very smart on the red carpet, but again, my point over here is like Yumna. You know, it was too stark of a color.
Too black.
And too safe for Hiba to.
But it had wings.
But it had wings, of course. But those wings were just hiding her instead of complementing her, is what I felt. You know, because she had wings because she was not comfortable maybe with sleeveless.
Okay.
Or she had wings because maybe she didn't.
No, but I
she
thought
didn't
that
want
it
to
added a bit of drama to the outfit.
I love the drama of the outfit. I'm agreeing to the fact the silhouette was really nice, but they could have chosen a better color. Is what my point is over here, because you know Hiba could have played a little more with the color, not maybe with the outfit, but the color. The outfit really complemented her in terms of the silhouette, and the wings were giving her the length and the grace and you know the formalness of the red carpet.
But I loved her energy and her confidence.
Yeah.
And she's lost a lot of weight. I think that's brought some new confidence to her as well. And she was wearing a black metallic, a gold metallic belt with her. She looked very nice. I thought that it was a welcome change from the character we see on television.
Yeah.
And her face looked beautiful, the earrings, the hair. अच्छा था, I liked it.
प्यारी लग
प्यारी लग रही थी, हाँ प्यारी लग रही थी. अच्छा एक और बंदा जो बहुत प्यारा लग रहा था, बल्कि प्यारा is not the right word for this one, जिनको हमने देखा 180 degree का turn लेते हुए. First we saw her at the Hum Style Awards, and I thought her look was terrible at the Hum Style Awards, and we were like, does she even know how to dress? But यहाँ पे, oh my God, she looked like a Hollywood star.
Who are you talking about?
Ima Baig.
Of course, Ima.
Ima looked stunning.
I love the neckline of the outfit.
I mean, it was a Sania Maskatia dress, and it was just tailored to her body and that neckline and the hair and the glamour. When she was on stage doing Sitare Sitare, you want to sing it again? Sitare Sitare, आसमां के तारे. आप लोग देखेंगे जब ये televised होगा. लेकिन ये कि even in the song. And otherwise, on the red carpet, she looked so glamorous.
She looked very glamorous, and I'm glad that you know the hair and makeup was kept very, very clean and simple, rather than overpowering her.
No curls or no curls for Ima.
No updos, no curls, no ponytails, no wannabe something.
No, and even on
it
the
was
on
very,
the dress,
very beautifully put together.
No frills like we saw last time.
It was clean and simple because Ima is petite and she's lovely as a body. And
so
you know,
whoever
styled
Ima's look, Ima should stick to that person.
Yeah.
Because
but Ima पता है अपना input भी देती है बहुत.
वो सब देती है.
क्योंकि वो she knows her flavor. She likes that, and I think that जब तक आप वो ना दें as a celebrity or as a star, the look is incomplete because the look has to talk. It has to say that that person is wearing it instead of the outfit wearing the person.
Yes. But she looks stunning.
Yeah.
She looked absolutely stunning. Is there any other female actor, singer, celebrity that we want to talk about and have missed?
Resham ji, Meera.
मैंने उनको red carpet पे नहीं देखा actually.
I saw there was a green outfit that she was wearing on the red carpet, which was not very flattering, but I really liked her white outfit which she was wearing. Then there was Meera को मैंने red carpet पे नहीं देखा. I don't remember her from the red carpet, but she performed beautifully with Myra on stage. उसके अलावा if we talk about Aisha Umar, okay.
उन्होंने 2 looks की कि 3 looks की?
मुझे समझ नहीं आया उन्होंने कितनी looks की हैं, because वो सब एक जैसी दिख रही थी.
अच्छा, उनकी पहली जो look मुझे नजर आई वो हुसैन रेहार की. It was a dress with those sequin tights and the boots underneath.
Okay, so there were sequin tights and there were sequin pants also. The sequin tights, so it's very confusing. So I don't know if when you guys edit, तो आप वो 3 looks रखेगा. Maybe I'm mistaken.
नहीं,
बट
एक
वो
दो
एक
लोग थे।
जैकेट था,
जैकेट तो ऊपर उन्होंने अलग से उतार दिया
था,
फिर,
वो
हाँ।
उतार दिया। लेकिन जब वो जैकेट पहना हुआ था तो लूज पैंट्स थी, सीक्वेंस।
अच्छा
फिर जब वो जैकेट उतर गया तो वो टाइट फिटेड टाइट्स हो
अच्छा,
गई,
मुझे वो टाइट से बूट्स नहीं अच्छे
सीक्वेंस।
लगे,
और वो बूट की जो लेंथ थी वो बहुत ही
बहुत गलत थी,
ऑकवर्ड
हाँ।
थी।
बूट की लेंथ
तो
बहुत बुरी
वो
थी।
ना कुछ जबरदस्ती मिसमैच के, हाथ ये भी पड़ा था तो वो भी पड़ा था, तो मैं जोड़ लूं उसको।
हाँ
बट आई थिंक आयशा इज सच अ स्टाइल आइकॉन,
या
एंड शी इज लाइक।
अच्छा, मुझे उनका दूसरा ड्रेस भी नहीं बहुत अच्छा लगा,
दूसरा क्या
जिसके
था?
विंग्स से थे जरा सा, वो बहुत भारी सा, इट वाज लाइक अ वेरी हेवीली
हाँ, वो
सीक्वेंड
एम्बेलिश्ड
न्यूड
आउटफिट जो
न्यूड,
था,
हाँ।
वो न्यूड एम्बेलिश्ड आउटफिट, जो कि एक वोल्केनो की तरह, इट वाज जस्ट फॉलोइंग
हाँ
डाउन,
एग्जैक्टली।
इट वाज जस्ट
और
फॉलोइंग
बीच में
डाउन।
एक डेलिकेट सी आयशा चल रही थी।
हाँ, प्रिटी सी
हाँ,
आयशा एक बीच में चल रही थी।
नहीं बात नहीं बनी।
आयशा ने बड़े इम्पैक्टफुल लुक्स किए हैं,
किए
सो
हुए,
ये
दिस
उसको
वाज नॉट हर
जस्टिफाई
बेस्ट
नहीं
ईयर,
कर रहा
दिस
था,
वाज नॉट हर
बिल्कुल।
बेस्ट ईयर।
या
आई
ये उसको
एग्री,
जस्टिफाई नहीं कर
आई
रहा था।
एग्री।
और मुझे ये कोई समझा दे कि ये बाहर के डिजाइनर क्यों पहनते हैं सारे?
सारे तो नहीं पहनते।
बहुत सारे पहनते हैं।
नहीं, सिर्फ महविश ने, या तो कुछ और पहना था। इन्होंने एक
क्यों,
लोग,
हमारे डिजाइनर्स को नहीं आता क्या कपड़े बनाने का?
नहीं चलो ठीक है, किसी ने गाउन पहना, इन्होंने एक लुक हुसैन रेहार की पहनी थी, टाइट्स वाली।
हम्म।
और जो वो न्यूड वाली लुक थी सीक्वेंट वाली, वो किसी आउटसाइडर की थी।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा। बट मुझे ना वो कुछ पैंट्स समझ नहीं है कि पैंट्स पहले लूज थी, फिर टाइट हो गई, फिर
हाँ
जैकेट उतर गई,
हाँ,
फिर एक और लुक आ गई। तो इतने लुक मुझे लग, क्या एक सेलिब्रिटी को इतने लुक्स करने चाहिए?
आई डोंट नो, आई डोंट नो, मैं तो थक जाऊं, देखते भी मैं थक गई थी। तो वो जो उनका क्या,
प्रेपरेशन में कितना टाइम
वो
लगता
सुबह साढ़े
होगा?
दस बजे से गई थी, शी वाज देयर सिंस 10:30, बट अगेन शी इज अ स्टाइल आइकॉन एंड शी यूजुअली डज बेटर।
Yeah, she's like जबरदस्त in wearing clothes, but I don't know इस दफा क्या हो गया।
अच्छा,
और
नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन एंड
अच्छा,
फिनिश।
मीरा सेठी के ग्लव्स मुझे बड़े पसंद आए थे।
Oh, we miss Meera
Yeah,
Sethi.
I really like Meera Sethi's gloves, and uh, I really like what she was wearing actually, because she was just, see, her flavor is different from the rest of the audience or rest
Yeah,
of
sure.
the people that we have.
Yeah.
She's a different person, so we have to understand. हम सबको ना एक ही चीज देखने की
हम
आदत
चाहते
है,
हैं एक से लगे
और
सब।
सब हम चाहते हैं कि एक जैसे लगें। तो अगर किसी ने कुछ अलग पहना है तो वो तो बहुत ही बेहुदा लग रहा है, क्योंकि उसने अलग पहना है। एक्सक्यूज मी, अपनी सोच बदलें, बिकॉज उसने अलग नहीं पहना, आपका दिमाग छोटा है शायद सोचने के लिए। तो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड। मुझे इसके लिए आप लोग बहुत शिट देंगे, विच इज कम्प्लीटली फाइन, बट आई वो लग रही थी, शी वाज लुकिंग अपार्ट, शी वाज
अच्छा,
लुकिंग।
I wish her hair had been different though. I wasn't a fan of the wet hair look. Not on the red carpet.
Really?
Yeah, not on the red carpet. Actually, it wasn't like a sleek wet hair look. It was a very messy, unkempt wet hair look. It was like shower से निकल के बाल नहीं बनाए, वो वाली look थी. It didn't look like it was um, a wet look that had been created for her look. Her dress and gloves, I agree. And Meera is lovely, and she's got the frame that can carry anything.
Acha, I liked the way the wet hair balanced her outfit.
Acha, nahi, I was not a fan of the wet hair. That's the only thing I disagree with about her look. I was not a fan of the wet hair. The dress, yes, that was very Meera. The gloves and all
That
that
dress
was
was
very,
very
very
Meera,
edgy, the
actually.
gloves, but the
Yeah.
wet hair I was not a fan of.
Yeah. अच्छा, मुझे तो all over बहुत अच्छी लग रही मीरा। मीरा was looking
You liked?
like herself. She is,
Huh.
she,
Huh.
you know that's Meera Sethi.
That's Meera Sethi.
And you know how quirky she is and
And
how.
she does something different all the
Yeah,
time.
I like her that way. I really like
But
her
then
that
Meera is
way.
not exactly known for her style sense. She's known for her acting or for her writing
Yeah.
or for her
Eloquence.
activism. Yeah, exactly. So wo bhi hai. Acha, very quickly rounding off with our male stars, the men.
सब सूट में ही थे ज़्यादातर।
Ravish, why are do the men not experiment? Who would you say was the best looking man that on the red carpet or that evening?
They all were wearing different color
Suits.
So I don't know what to even say. I really don't know what to even. It was so. Everyone was just
wearing a boring suit.
वो कुकी कटर टाइप
कुकी कटर था, हाँ, कोई सोच नहीं थी।
तो कोई सोच नहीं थी, जिसको जो सूट मिला उसने वो पहन लिया। हाँ, मेरे पे कॉम्प्लीमेंट करा, ये कलर मैं वो पहन लेता हूँ, मैं ये कर लेता हूँ। थोड़ा सा आई थिंक आप लोग मेंस फैशन को आई थिंक सीरियसली नहीं लेते। और बेचारे ये स्टार्स भी हमारे डरते हैं कि हम कुछ कर लेंगे तो ये हमारी ऑडियंस हमें खा जाएगी, जिसके लिए हम तैयार नहीं हैं। तो प्लीज़ थोड़ा सा ब्रीदिंग स्पेस दें कि वो कुछ कर सकें, कुछ डिफरेंट कर सकें।
मतलब we didn't see a sherwani, we didn't see a Nehru jacket,
Yeah,
we didn't see
we
anything that
didn't
was
see any
anything,
Jodhpur,
nothing.
pants.
Yeah,
We didn't
yeah,
see any prince
yeah,
coats. We
yeah,
didn't see
nothing.
anything that was out. Everybody was wearing suits because they thought it was a black tie event. Maybe what it was.
Well, I mean,
maybe.
Daniel Craig wore a pink
Yeah.
tuxedo to a black tie event as well. But having said that, I felt that Imran Ashur looked good in his three-piece black suit because, again, it was simple.
It was simple and safe,
It was
but
safe,
that maybe Imran की personality है कि he can experiment a little more with his looks.
अच्छा, उन्होंने जब एक्सपेरिमेंट किया मुझे सही नहीं लगा, तो ये फिर भी सेफ था लेकिन अच्छा था.
Safe
it
था,
was a
yeah,
good
safe
look.
था.
I
That
thought
was
Bilal
true.
Masood looked good. I mean, वो usually he's not this dressed up, but he was a little bit, उन्होंने भी कोट वगैरह जैकेट पहनी हुई थी, वो अच्छे लग रहे थे.
But see, he has been a singer, right?
हाँ.
He should have carried.
He has been, he is.
He is a
composed
singer.
and
Yeah,
he's
yeah.
behind that song.
He's that
Yeah,
person,
he's the
right?
shit, yeah, when
Yeah.
it comes to singing.
So, when you are such level of a singer and a performer and a composer, I think
A little more.
Yeah, of course, a little more than what he is actually, So
again, Bilal Abbas Khan and Ahad Raza Mir, both superstars in their own right, but very forgettable looks.
Very forgettable, very blah. It should have been a little more than what they actually are. Because I know Bilal likes wearing colors and likes
Bilal
experimenting.
का सूट तो कुछ crumple सा भी हो गया था. It wasn't even a
मुझे
very.
मैं तो आपको एक सच बात बताऊं, मुझे याद भी नहीं है. मुझे सिर्फ बिलाल की शक्ल याद है.
हाँ.
Because इतना खूबसूरत आदमी है वो.
सूट भी कोई ऐसा नहीं था कि memorable हो. बिलाल का भी और आहद का भी, दोनों का. I think
आहद को तो मौका ही नहीं मिला मुझे मिलने का या देखने का, बट बिलाल की मुझे से शक्ल याद है और मुझे उसका नीचे क्या उसने पहना था, क्या था, I don't remember.
अच्छा, Adnan Samad Khan, who won Best Emerging Talent on television for his role in Ehde Wafa, he was wearing a black and white pinstripe, a three-piece. I thought he looked very smart. It was at least, चलो pinstripe तो था ना, तो थोड़ा सा वो Italian type vibe आ रही थी, प्लस उनकी ज़रा सी look भी ज़रा मूंछें वगैरह, तो वो थोड़ा सा it was interesting to look at.
मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट है सारे हमारे मेल स्टार्स सेलिब्रिटीज से, खुदा के लिए ना डरें, ऑडियंस को बोलती है बोलने दें. आप जो करना चाहते हैं do that. If you want to play safe, that is also completely fine. Nobody is pushing you.
Maybe they want to play safe.
But जो कैरी कर सकते हैं, जो करना चाहते हैं, just try discover yourself a little more, so that you will be more comfortable dressing instead of looking at someone and being like, I want to look at this person, I want to look like this one. Instead of doing that, you should actually push the boundary a little.
I think people like Ehsan Khan push it.
Yeah, Ehsan करता है, वो अच्छा लगता है, वो different करता है.
Even Ahmed Ali Butt is pushing it here,
although he's lost a lot of weight.
And although the little rosy jacket was a bit much, मैं कहा इतने गुलाबी फूल, कहता हाँ, एक तरफ ज़्यादा है और एक तरफ subtle है. It was so funny. But again, he does experiment with his look a little bit.
So they also stand out also, right? So if you want to stand out, of course, you're great performers on screen. You are like great performers on stage, but thoda sa just push a little bit.
Push it in.
Yeah.
That was fun.
That was actually a lot of people.
Fun. I don't think we've missed anybody.
Except ourselves.
I mean, you were not dressed.
Tavish
was working backstage.
I was really crazy
whenever
backstage.
you saw pictures of us together, because obviously जब हम मिलते हैं,
that was when we were walking out.
हाँ, but that wasn't a red carpet look.
Yeah, that was
मेरी
not.
red carpet look was
इत्तेफाक ये था कि वो red carpet था, वरना वो तस्वीर कहीं backdrop के आगे होती.
हाँ, मेरी red carpet look disaster थी बिल्कुल, because I was just having a really bad day. I won't even make an excuse for it. But I do realize it was not a good look. So
नहीं, मेरा तो red carpet look था ही नहीं. I was not dressed for the occasion.
जब हम Paris Fashion Week पे जाएंगे ना, then we will.
आप अभी से क्यों बता रही हैं सबको?
Oh, sorry.
That was secret.
I am actually now working really hard on my Pisa red carpet look.
Oh.
मैं कब दुबई में तो one must dress up,
Dubai.
हाँ, Dubai में one must dress up. So hopefully it will not be.
Certainly.
It will be a little more glamorous.
Let's see what Amna wears.
I'll probably come to you to put something together. But guys, do you agree with our analysis? Do you not agree? And
I remember your Fia Jamshed's गरारा.
My gharara worked well on the Hum Style Awards because I was wearing it with a black linen kameez and I loved. Although कुछ लोगों को वो भी नहीं समझ आया, but वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा because it was tradition done in a contemporary way.
Yeah.
This I thought I would change the shirt. और वो शर्ट का प्रिंट बिल्कुल गलत
अच्छा,
था.
आमना को मैंने बड़े ग्लैमरसली तैयार होते हुए देखा है.
कब?
कहीं इधर उधर की रेड कार्पेट
काफी
पे.
देर हो गई है वैसे.
काफी वैसे देर होगी, लेकिन हो भी कौन से रहे हैं रेड
पता है यार,
कार्पेट
बात है कि जब दिहाड़ी लगानी पड़ती है ना, काम करना पड़ता है. At the end of the day you want to wear flat shoes.
so wrong, दिहाड़ी
नहीं, दिहाड़ी कह रही हूँ. दिहाड़ी क्या होती है? जो मजदूरी होती है.
मजदूरी.
हाँ, मजदूरी करनी पड़ती है ना. At the end of the day you want your flat shoes and you want something that you can roll your sleeves up and work.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. और जब आप दूसरों को तैयार कर रहे होते ना, तो you cannot think about yourself and be like, oh, I have to look good, because then what are you doing for others is the question.
Yeah, but I will try not to disappoint you on the next award show.
बिल्कुल.
Because मुझे लगता है हमारे से भी उम्मीदें तो हैं लोगों को.
थोड़ी बहुत.
But whether you agree or disagree, feel free to comment. आप लोग constructively comment करेंगे, हम सर आँखों पे. आप लोग बेहूदगी करेंगे, हम डिलीट करके ब्लॉक कर देंगे. बड़ी सिंपल सी बात है.
लेकिन पता है फर्क भी नहीं पड़ता. By the way, also
नहीं पड़ता है. It's not nice.
हाँ, प्लीज बदतमीजी ना करिए. आप लोग का बहुत ज्यादा हो गया. वैसे थोड़ा सा ठंडे पड़ जाएं और नहीं समझ आती तो वो पानी पी के बैठ जाएगा.
हमारे चैनल पे बहुत कम लोग बदतमीजी करते हैं.
हाँ, लेकिन बेचारे यार सेलिब्रिटीज के पीछे क्यों पड़ते हैं आप लोग इस तरीके से? क्या बिगाड़ा है उन्होंने आपका, हैं? लेकिन whatever we said today, it was just according to us. And this was our thought.
This is how we feel. No disrespect to anybody, and we love all these people.
Yeah, we certainly love all of these people, and they are super talented and super amazing. आप लोग भी बहुत प्यारे हैं. आप लोग हमें बहुत सारा प्यार देते हैं, हमें बहुत सारे comments देते हैं, feedback देते हैं. और अगर आप लोगों को criticize करना है, हमें तो साथ अपनी एक तस्वीर भेजिएगा और हमें बताइएगा कि आप लोगों को कपड़े नहीं पहनने आते. This is how you should look. Yeah.
So we can appreciate you.
Yes, and we learn from you. Maybe we वो किसी मशहूर
बहुत
शख्सियत हैं, बहुत अजीम शख्सियत है, उनका कॉल है, ये मत देखो कौन कह रहा है, ये देखो क्या कह रहा है.
यही अगर फारसी में आप कर दें, मैं मेरी पब्लिक की इज्जत बढ़ जाएगी. Because Avish is fluent in Farsi.
I don't know. Yeah, but let me just try and say it. I don't know. This call I don't know.
चलो कुछ और बोल दो. यही बात फारसी में बोल दो.
پس همه بینندگان عزیز شما خوشحال شدیم. زنده باشید. خداحافظ.
See you next week. No, see you after 2 weeks now.
After 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks.